You were sitting in the front seat, I was staring, I was caught up in the glory, till the night started turning into morning, and I was hoping you would never leave.
Sa amin ay proud na proud kami doon kasi magaling sa academics niya. Since bata siya, honor student siya until hanggang ngayon. Kung ano yung gusto niya kasi maging architect. So, kung ano naman yung plano niya sa buhay niya, kung ano talaga yung gusto niya, okay kami doon. Boyfriend bawal pa. Hanggang matapos doon ng college. Sabi ng daddy.
I know you might break me if I say what's on my mind, and I know the risk I'm taking. It's either yes or it's goodbye, but I'm lost in the awe and wonder. I'm surrounded on every side. Every word you say is thunder. Don't worry, love, take your time, 'cause I know this.
Makulit siya talaga, outgoing, outspoken, yun. So, malayo talaga sila ng ate niya. So, lang yung bonding, mas maano yung bonding namin dalawa. Kasi pareho kami halos na ugali. Yan, tapos may pagkamaldita, pareho din kami.
It's tragic. This is spiritual, this chemical, this magic. Is it a high, is it just another crash? Or did I just find my...
Happy birthday, Laisha! Happy birthday, Laisha! Happy birthday,
And I won't miss my chance, 'cause I know you might...
Happy birthday, baby. Alam kong malaki ka na at hindi ka naman talaga nakikinig sa akin masyado. Ang wish ko lang naman sa'yo is makakita ka ng people na talagang makakaintindi sa'yo. Ang wish ko pa is na magawa mo yung dreams mo. Gawin mo yung gusto mo talaga. Gawin mo kung ano yung dinedesire ng puso mo. I love you.
I know this is out of mind.
Happy birthday, baby girl. Ang wish ni Mami is happiness. Magawa mo lahat ng gusto mo, ma-achieve mo yung dreams mo, magkaroon ka na personal relationship kay God kasi siya yung magiging guide mo sa lahat. Siyempre, pag inuna mo sa God sa buhay mo, everything will follow. Lahat ng imposible, maging posible dahil sa Kanya. So,